Good morning, guys. I'm getting ready right now. I'm gonna have brunch outside, have my hair done, and go about my day. Very busy day for me. Happy New Year, guys! It's ilan na ba? 2 days na lang ang natitira sa 2025. And yet, sobrang ganda ko pa rin. I wish I could say the same for you guys, but I'll just take one for the team. Charot! um, where am I going? Just outside. Secret. But I'm going out. Magbabrunch ako. Have my hair done. Do some shopping. And then what else? I have a recording this afternoon, and then I'm meeting a lot of friends today before the year ends. I just really want to see my friends before the year ends. What are my goals for 2026? I wish I can travel more without working. Because before I did drag, I used to travel a lot, especially to Philippines. And just travel lang talaga. And just see the world. But yeah, hopefully, I don't think that will happen anytime soon. Because when I travel, it's always for work. Yeah. But hey, who knows? Is it true you're going hiatus next year? Yeah, for a couple of months lang. Just rest, travel, eat good food, gastusin ng aking hard-earned money. Charot. Renovate my house, be with my dog more, ganyan. Kaya probably like 2 months, ganon. I think that's enough na for me. 2 months or less pa nga. Hindi naman siya like hiatus. It's just like a break lang. And probably pag merong mga events, ganun, I would definitely go pa rin. Pero like, perform and do shows, I'm just taking a break for a bit. But definitely you'll see me here and there, but probably not in drag. Cause, baby, the skin. Kasi ang dami kong rest this month, na-realize ko. And my skin is really glowing because of that. So, yes to the skin. SPF. Oh, ouch. Ito yung ginagamit ko SPF. Biore UV. My favorite. Ang ganda rin kasi nung texture ng skin ko. Like, parang mayroong luminous glow. Hindi na ako naglalagay ng parang glow cream. Kasi it does the job for me. I love it. And walang flashback. Hindi naman nag-white cast yung Bior sa akin. Ano yung use two-finger method? What's that? I don't know what that is. Parang wag na ako mag-makeup. Okay na to. Guys, ang ganda ng barit ko. Tingnan mo pag binalat ko. Oh, I'm so happy. At yung mga mga small joys ko. Kasi coming from last year, diba? Grabe yung skin ko. Alam nyo talaga, I thought I would never recover. Kasi kahit anong ginawa namin, parang almost 1 year na ganun yung skin ko. Until earlier this year. As in, buong year from last year until... Parang isang buong cycle siya na buong taon. From January, siguro doon nag-start kasi yung stress ko for UK versus the world. And then until January again this year, talagang nagbe-break out talaga ako. Tapos ang dami kong mga pimple marks and everything. So ito na siya after a year. Medyo okay na siya. Okay, so that's for makeup. Ano lang, light makeup lang tayo today. Guys, meron na figure out ko na kung bakit nagkikik yung under eye ko. It's because of the NARS. I don't think NARS is good for under eye. Even yung for me to for myself lang kasi talagang marami talagang crease yung ko. Ito, ayun maraming crease. So, mahirap talagang humanap ng under eye cream for me na pang daily. This one, it doesn't work for me kahit na gaano ka-light yung powder that I put after. Talagang magkikik talaga siya dito. So, Makeup by Mario talaga, sisimutin ko siya until dumating yung order ko. This one talaga is the girl for me. Like, she's that bitch. This one. Okay. I really don't, I think NARS is just good for like spot conceal. It's good for foundation. It's my everyday foundation, by the way. But in terms of under eye, it really cracks. Nagka-crease talaga siya for me. So, we're gonna put her to rest for now. Makeup brush. What type of makeup brush? For eye, for face, for concealer, ganyan. Ako hindi rin naman ako super expert talaga sa makeup. I just do what works for me. What's your favorite local brand? I'm starting to like BLK so much. As in, mamaya mag-haul ako ng BLK products. That's why I'm going out as well. Because I really love their products. And then, magta-try din ako ng ESC. I don't know where to get lang. Pero I heard their mga base are all good. For concealer, anong brush mo? For concealer, I use the House Labs na concealer brush. It's either this or the bigger one. Ito. And then, sometimes I use this for foundation. For foundation, I really love this Sephora brush na Pro Foundation 04 kasi pa-triangle siya. So I can like really go in here if needed. Pero hindi naman ako naglalagay ng foundation dito sa area na to. So, groomed. Yes, it's a get ready with me. Favorite long-lasting cream liquid brush? Cream ba to? This one, BLK. I use a combination. Later, papakita ko sa inyo. Pero now, mag-conceal muna tayo. Sana gumana pa si Makeup by Mario kasi paubos na talaga siya. Ayan, meron pa naman. Hindi rin ako pag everyday makeup, hindi ako nag-highlight ng under eye kasi ayoko mukha akong ganap na ganap. Oh, and then I also put saan na ang aking have you watched any MFFF? Yes, yung Call Me Mother pa lang. I'm planning to watch I'm Perfect, Manila's Finest. What else pa ba? Unmarry. I wanted to see that as well. Bakit nagmumura? Sino yung chameleon? Sino yan? Foreigner ba yan? O Pilipino? Pilipino papansin. Charis. Pin natin. Para mapansin siya. Pin natin. Para mapansin siya. Ayan. O, pansinin niyo siya. Dali. Ay, nawala. Bakit? Ayan. O. Bakit nawawala? Hindi ko siya mapin. Hindi ko mapin. I-report niyo yung comment niya tapos i-block niyo siya para wala siyang friends. Charot. Diba? Medyo hindi ko naka-shade daw, pero babawian natin ng powder later. Ang ganda niya, oh my god. I love it. Nandiyan na si Kiana. Miss you too. Saka mag-New Year, Kiana. Saan yung foundation? Ito. Foundation is this one. My shade sa M. Mario is 380, but I think I'm gonna go for a lighter one this time. Kasi medyo nawala na yung tan ko. Foundation, I use Barcelona M4. Ganda, diba? Ayan, balat lang. It's there, but it's barely there. Parang ganon. And it blends well with my Mario concealer, diba? As in, konti lang talaga ako mag-foundation. Kasi ayoko nung feeling talaga ng naka-foundation sa arawan. So, super light lang. Pero parang gusto kong mag-highlight. Ayan. Diba? Balat-balat lang. Kaya super importante ng skin prep, guys. Maglagay tayo ng konting NARS sa forehead para pasabog. And then, same brush I use. Para ma-spread out lang siya. Hindi rin super... Hindi siya ganun. Here. Yeah. Okay, and then we go with contour. For my contour, I use Huda Beauty. This one in shade 1452 Hazelnut, but I only use 2 dots. And that's about it. So, I use it like this. Tabi muna natin yung hair. Dot, dot. Oh, medyo marami pa nga yan eh. Konti here. And then, konti here. As in, ano lang talaga siya. And then I just blend it out. Ganyan. Kasi medyo, ano na yung cheekbones ko. Medyo, ayan o, diba? Nakahiwalay na siya. So, I don't think I need to contour pa. Talagang, ano lang kami. Bronzer. Parang bronzing lang ang purpose niya. Sa makeup ko. Ano pong shade ng concealer? Actually, depende yan sa inyo kung anong concealer, kung anong skin tone nyo. So, naman pa outwards lang. And then later, build up na lang natin siya with powder. Now, we go with blush. So, sa blush ko, I have the perfect combo. It's the BLK Coffee Run and the Anastasia Peach Caramel Blush Stick. So, ito muna, kasi medyo bronzing din to. And it's like really warm, and I like it. I like that about it. Kasi na yung blush ko. This one. Oh, it's so pretty. Miss BLK, you ate with this one. Ayoko lang yung packaging, but you ate with this shade. As in, I'm obsessed. Di ba? Ang ganda. And I also like to bring that in here sa nose. Di ba? And then, next one is I use the Anastasia one. I put it on top of here lang. And then just blend it out. Ayan, diba? Para peachy. Di super reddish. Glitter. Pretty. Diba? Ang ganda ng blush. This combo, oh my god. Okay, so now that we're done with all the creams, we're gonna set it. We're gonna set. So, wait, yan ko lang medyo under eye ko. Parang wala yung crease before we set that. So I use the NARS Dusk for my under eye. I like this kasi ano siya, maganda yung consistency niya and it doesn't crease. Super light lang. Ayan. And may pink undertone to. So kahit na medyo yellowish yung concealer ko kanina, as you see, na-neutralize niya. I also use this center. As you can see, very light lang ako mag-set, especially sa areas that I crease a lot. Yan. And then everywhere else, I use different types of powders. So unahin ko is yung contour. So I use the NARS Offshore. This is it's a perfecting powder. So it's a pressed powder, pero ginagawa ko na rin siyang contour bronzer para lang ma-locked in yung product na nilagay natin kanina. Like so. Very light lang. I don't go crazy about it. So, kumbaga parang 2-in-1 na siya. It sets it and it like really brings up the colors. And then I set the blush with the Haus Labs Hibiscus Haze. Beautiful. B is for beautiful. Do you like her? And then for the rest of the face, I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Kasi I like it because hindi siya super mattifying because we still want that, you know, that glow. So kahit naka-powder ako ngayon, you see, diba, may inner glow pa din yung skin ko. Like, hindi siya super powdery, matte. And I don't like that. Even like, pag naka-drag ako, I don't like powder. I don't like it na powder looking. Yan. Next, I use a ganitong brush, then go over the contour shade, and then just sa nose. Konting-konti lang. Kasi biniyayaan naman tayo ni Lord na. Medyo caring ilong. Ito. Now brows. I don't normally do anything crazy with my brows because it's already crazy. So what I do is I just brush it out like this. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Chocolate Volumizing Tinted Gel. Naka-mute? Am I on mute? So I just, dito muna ako sa dulo. Brush lang. Gel lang. Like, I don't fill in or anything kasi I realize when I fill in my brows, ang kapal niya tignan. And I don't like that. Kasi gusto ko naman yung pagka-light nung ano ko ngayon. So, kumbaga, ayusin lang natin yung, diba? Mas buo siya. Walang patchy-patchy. Patchy-patchy! Patchy bar. Chares. And then we do this other side the same way. Like that. I love her. And then next is Makeup by Mario. Konting eyeshadow lang tayo today. Just brown lang siguro or something. Just brown here. And just do the edges lang. Yun lang, edge lang. Hindi ko na i-fill in yung inner. Super light lang. Pang ano lang. Pang day lang. There you go. And then under eye lang. Konti lang. Don't go crazy. Para naman magkaroon ng, alam yan, pumantay lang siya sa bigat ng upper eye. Upper lid pala rather. Diba? Compare this to this, mas proportion siya. Beautiful. Love it. Then yun na. What else should we do? Lip line. Line the lips. Ay, ayan. That lip combo later I'll show you. And then, for lipstick, asa yung lipstick ko? Nasa bag ko. Wait, let me get it from my bag. Kasi ginamit ko siya kagabi. Where is it? It's it here. Sana. Ano mo pakita? Guys, I can't see it. Ako nilagay. Nasa isang bag ko ata. Okay, so for lips, I used two different Anastasia products. This is the lip liner in Rosewood. Yun yung ginamit ko kanina. And then for lips, para lang, ayoko kasi ng super brownish and like super nude naman. So this one is like the closest one to my real lip shade. Pero gusto ko kasi ayoko ng lip tint lang. So this one is like the lip velvet. Kasi ayoko din ng lipstick din siya. So I wanna be able to eat without worrying. Wala na ba akong lipstick? Or something. Yeah. And to be able to achieve this, you need to prep your lips as well. So what I do is I prep my lips with the lip mask. Para, kasi this one, the velvet is a little bit like medyo mattifying siya. So when I put it on my lips, ayun o, diba? Parang may natural gloss na siya. And in that way, I don't even have to put gloss on kasi meron na siyang natural, diba? So, ayun siya. And now, for the final touch, ito naman yung magbe-bring ng glow back. Ito guys, secret lang natin to. But now, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung favorite ko na product. This is the Haus Labs Bio Radiant Glassy Highlighter Balm. So, I put this in on here sa aking nose area. A little bit sa aking cheek area. Brow bone, and then here. And what it does is it brings out the glow ng skin. Diba? Kumbaga sa dami ng products na nilagay natin na powder, it like parang gives the illusion na oops, hindi yung powder, diba? Oh. And then kinakalat ko siya dun sa mga parts na pag nag-catch ng light, magre-reflect. So, 'di ba? Mukhang balat-balat siya. Especially sa nose area then. Alam mo, sana papasokin ako ng Big Brother sa ano, no, PBB. There you go. That's it. That's the look for today. And now we're gonna set it with Miss One Size. Hindi na ako magpa-powder melt kasi hindi naman ako masyado nag-powder today. So we're just gonna sorry. It's curse. Kasi ko yung brushes ko. Because I'm excited to go to brunch and have brunch. And I'll probably use one of the earrings that you gave me, guys. Kasi, hello, ang cute-cute kaya ng mga earrings. There's this one. Parang I like her. There's also this one. Kasi nagamit ko na to kahapon eh. Nagamit ko na to kahapon at ito nung isang araw. Cuties. So, let's check ano pa bang available. Meron din to, like flower lang siya. Like, choose guys. Pili kayo. This one, right or left? Right or left? Right or left? Parang right, no? Although I kind of want to go bigger today. Kasi, this is my look. Ouch, aray, yung look ko. I want to go bigger sa earrings. Let's try, let's try. Ah, hindi siya kita. Sayang. It's not kita. Oh, wait. Or, I can do this. Let's try. There's more ano here eh. Mga pearl things. Or is it too much? Is this too much? Should we go? No. I think I'll go with the... Ito, ano to? Parang hindi. Parang ito tayo. Just the pretty little thingy. No? Cutie. Let's check the other one. I like this kasi ano, meron siyang keme. Meron siyang something. Let's see, let's see. There's no harm in trying. Naman ako hinahabol na oras. Ah, hindi. Ito nga. Although, honestly, hindi. This one. She won. She won! Left? Ano ba? Ano ba? Guys, mag-decide kayo. Hindi makapag-decide, charis. What about this one? It's cute din, oh. Diba? Longer or smaller? Ito, no? This one. Alam niyo kung ano mas bagay? Kami ni Kerwin. Charot. Smaller one. Okay, sige, let's go with the smaller one. Oh, ano ba talaga? Longer or smaller? Nilito niyo ako. Ano ba? Hinilito niyo ako eh. Wait, medyo nagpa-fade kasi sa hair yung long. Wait, you know what? I have another earring na binigay nyo that I really, really like. Let me check if nasa long set ko siya. Let me try that. Let me try that for a bit. 1 second. Because that one is longer as well, but it's more finesse, the pearl, the stone. So this is my walk-in closet. Medyo hindi pa siya maayos. Ayan. Ang gulo-gulo kasi ang dami kong mga damit na tinanggal or inayos. It's not here. Where is it? Ayun lang. Nandun ata sa... I forgot. Kasi dinala ko yun nung naglaom yun. Oh, I think it's probably here. It's here. I knew it. Let's see. Let's check. Her, diba? Or no, masyadong madam. It's too madam. This one, no. Her. This or this. Left. No. Right or left. Right or left. Right or left. Right, no. Right or left. Left. Okay. Ano ba? Hindi kayo makapag-decide. Ano ba, guys? So, di ko na lang pareho. Right or left? Left. You like the left better, no? Okay, sige. Let's go with the left one. Mas maraming, mas sumisigaw yung mga nagle-left eh. Sige, let's go with the left one. Ha? Ano ba? Right or left? Right yung majority eh. Okay, so let's go with right. Ano ba talaga? Hindi na natapos sa pag-earrings, no? Ayan, sige, mag-ano na tayo. Mag-right na tayo. Sabi ni Kerwin, andiyan ba si Kerwin? Andiyan ba si Kerwin? Pag si Kerwin yung nagsabi, I will susundin ko talaga siya. Pag si Kerwin yung nagsabi, ano ba talaga? Left or right? Ito siya. Left daw, sabi ni Kerwin. Sabi ni Kerwin, andiyan ba si Kerwin? No, like seriously, andiyan ba si Kerwin? Kung left, papalitan ko talaga to para kay Kerwin. Right daw, wala naman si Kerwin, inaano niya lang ako eh. Pinapaasa niyo lang ako eh. Medyo namamadaman ako sa kanya. Teka lang. Ako to si Kerwin, naki-online lang. Check natin to. Suot natin both. And let's see. Let's see which one is better. Ang inang aims yan, di na natapos. Ito, left. Left. Okay, sige. Ito na. I just don't like this, oh. Yung merong bilog. Pero maganda naman siya. I like it. It's beautiful. Okay. Now that we've chosen our earrings, I'm gonna show you the whole look. Please, man. Wait lang. Malis ako, di ba? Bigla. Ready for brunch! Flower na lang. Balik tayo sa flower. Tapos then, bye everybody. Ako'y nagugutom na. Kakain na ako ng tinapa. Ang swerte naman ni Kerwin kung naging girlfriend niya ako, no? Ganito, everyday, di ba? Maganda yung makikita niya. Ay, nako, Kerwin. Ito na yung biyaya, oh. Charis! Late ng brunch. Ano ba dapat ang oras ng brunch? Sa US nga, ang brunch 3 p.m. eh. Okay. Goodbye. See you later. Bye.